In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the Bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. If your Bookmarks bar has disappeared, or if you simply want quicker access to your favorite websites, this is a very easy setting to turn on. The Bookmarks bar is the area near the top of Chrome, just below the address bar, where saved bookmarks can appear for one-click access. Enabling it can make browsing much faster and more convenient, especially if you regularly visit the same pages throughout the day. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. This menu gives you access to many of Chrome's settings and customization options. Go ahead and click the three dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From here, click on Settings. This will open Chrome's main settings page, where you can control how the browser looks and behaves. After the settings page opens, look for the Appearance section. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may see Appearance listed in the sidebar on the left, or you may need to scroll a little to find it. Click Appearance to open those display-related options. Inside the Appearance settings, find the option labeled Show Bookmarks Bar. This is the setting that controls whether the Bookmarks bar is visible in Chrome. To display the Bookmarks bar, simply enable that option. Usually this means clicking the switch so it turns on. As soon as you enable it, the Bookmarks bar should appear right away beneath the address bar in Chrome. If you already have bookmarks saved, you'll now be able to see them there for quick access. If the bar appears empty, that just means you may not have bookmarks added yet, but the bar is now turned on and ready to use. This setting is helpful for keeping important websites within reach, and it can make your browsing experience more organized. If you ever want to hide the Bookmarks bar again, you can return to the same Appearance section and turn the option off. That's all it takes to show the Bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how quickly you access your favorite sites. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.